Hello everybody, welcome back to today's video. We are at Parrot Mountain and Gardens in Vieville, Tennessee. When you get here, you see all the parrots already.
I'm hurrying.
These are the African greys. There are about 4 of them. Here's some cuckoo. Oh. Here's some more birds.
Don't let them.
Here's some toucans. It's about 3. Here's a Tosco toucan. Here's all the cuckoo bells. It's about 4 on both sides. These are the Von Deacon's hornbill. It's about 2 in there. Peacock. These are the blue thoroughbred magpie jay. These are the all call it arrow carry.
It's no. It's a.
Fine conures. They're very loud. There's plenty of them here. These are the black-seated cuckoo.
Okay, hang on. Okay. Put the fingers.
They just after your hat.
Look.
I'll take this up for a minute. You birds get in there before. No, you cannot.
Shiny stuff.
I don't want it. You cannot have it watch.
So that was a lot of fun. That was Parrot Mountain and Gardens in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. A ton of birds to look like. It won't take you that long to get through it. So that's also a good thing. Thanks so much for watching again. Remember to like, subscribe down below. Thanks so much for watching again. Bye.